Good day, everybody. My name is Okoyemi Akoli. The topic for today is explainable AI for digital health devices. So let's start with the introduction. So explainable AI in digital health devices create a system that provides a prediction while also clearly explaining how those predictions are made. So this transparency builds trust and help users to understand and effectively use AI recommendations. So we have digital devices, which uses software and algorithms with hardware to actually monitor health metrics. So example of these devices are blood glucose monitors, we have blood pressure monitors, smart scales, pulse oximeters, telehealth devices, and medication reminders. So let's talk about the need for explainable AI in digital health. So let's talk about patient trust. So user needs to understand how these decisions are being made regarding their health and also clinical outcome. So better explainability leads to improved patient adherence and outcome. And also the regulatory requirement. So there should be some compliance with the standard, like the FDA, and the other regulatory bodies. So what are the challenges that we have here? So we have complexity. So many models like deep learning are so difficult to interpret. So these models are very complex. So we have issues interpreting the outcomes. And also we have bias. So lack of transparency can mask bias in data. So then we have accountability. So it is very hard to actually pinpoint responsibility in decision making. So the benefit of explainable AI, so improved decision making. So clinicians can make more informed choices with understandable insights. It actually improve their predictions, their treatment outcome, and the overall care for patients generally. So we also have enhanced patient engagement. Patient can better understand their health data when they understand how these models work. Then we have the regulatory compliance, so meet necessary guidelines for transparency as well. So key techniques in the explainable AI. So we have the line local interpretable model agnostic explanations. So this provide local explanation for individual prediction. Then we have the sharp, which uses a cooperative gaming theory to assign important features. Then we have this decision tree, which is very, very simple to understand. It can actually show us these decisions in visual format. So it's very, very easy to actually visualize. This is one of the best uh, out of all of them. So the best practice for implementing explainable AI. So we have the user-centric design, involve the end users and design the process. We have iterative testing, regular testing the model and explanation with the users. We have interdisciplinary collaborations. So we engage the AI experts and the healthcare professional, the clinicians, so they can actually understand how this model works in general. So we have future direction. So integration with EHRs, this will explain, like this will enhance explainability in electronic health records. So the data will be more incorporated, then we can understand from every point of view. Then we have the real-time feedback. So we need to monitor patients in real time. Then we need to get feedback from the end users generally. Then we have policy development. So creating standards for transparency in AI healthcare application. There should be some standard that every model should follow, every data analysis, everything that they should follow in the standard. So in conclusion, explainable AI is crucial for building trust and ensuring accountability in digital health devices. Then we're call to action. We should encourage our stakeholders to prioritize explainability in AI development for healthcare in general. So these are my references. Thank you. Then question and answer.